Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing great and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be shortly explaining to you guys some quick ways how you can earn coins in FC Mobile 24, so let's get right into it. Coins are one of the main currencies that you'll be using in FC 24, and the way you can how do I say this? Most notably earn them, or rather most reliably earn them, is by selling your players. And you get players by opening up packs, which you get either through completing packs or completing quests or actually playing tournaments, playing games and actually winning them. And once you open up packs, you might get some good players. Let me just go into my players tab and show you some. For example, Desailly or Forlan or some of those players. If you then go into the marketplace, you can sell them for a lot of money. And yeah, pretty much by just completing quests, you will earn better and better players, create a better and better team, and even by upgrading and ranking up those players and getting upgrades and training them, you will be able to sell them for higher amounts of money. You will also get money by actually opening up packs and completing quests by themselves, at least through the tutorial. However, you might get them later as well. And yeah, pretty much the main way you want to actually earn coins is by selling players. So I hope I helped you guys with that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. Please check out our other tutorials if you need help with anything else. And I'll be seeing you guys in another video.